ain't got no worries, 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 worries.
Hey guys, welcome back to my welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be filming one of the most requested videos that I have gotten ever since I filmed my last video that had to do with Notion and Google Calendar, and it is how I organize my entire life with Notion. So I'm going to be completely disregarding school, and we're just going to be going over like how I plan my days, how I just like keep track of everything in my life, as well as how I like plan my YouTube videos and stuff like that. So before we get started with this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a video. I try to post videos every single Saturday. I didn't post last Saturday because it was a pretty hectic week for me mentally, so I just needed like a break. But I'm back now. But don't worry, I will be making it up to you guys in December because I'm most likely doing Vlogmas. So I will be posting every single day for 25 days. 1 week shouldn't hurt. But yeah, without any further ado, let's see how I plan my life with Notion. Okay guys, so welcome to my Notion. This is what it looks like. I actually keep the side menu closed because I like it better when it's gone. So this is what my life planner looks like. Hey guys, it's editing me just jumping in really early. If there's any section in this Notion that you would like, check the description. I have made duplicates of all of the main dashboards that I show you in here. So my content creation, my life planner, and my G.Y.S.T dashboard. And then inside those dashboards, there's also the little pages with like all other tidy things in there. You'll kind of understand as you watch the video, but pretty much all you have to do is you click the link in the description, and then if you have a Notion account, or if you don't, you just make one, and then in the top right hand corner you can just click to duplicate it, and then you'll have the exact same template as mine, and then you can just customize it to your own needs. But yeah, I'm just going to leave a copy for you so that you don't have to do everything because it's going to take a lot of time, so I'm just making it easier for you. So if I just scroll, this is everything that you see here, and there's actually a lot more. We will get into it and you guys will see, but essentially this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to go through everything for you. My cover is one that comes with the Notion app. What you do is, like, if you set a cover and you click change cover, I go to Unsplash and then I just searched clouds, and then that's what came out. So these are all like copyright free pictures that you can use. All of my covers are from the Unsplash section. I just like typed a word, then the picture came out. So I'll try my best to like let you know what I typed so that if you're interested in that specific cover, you can find it. But yeah, at the top I have a quote that says, "Work in silence, let your success be your noise," by Frank Ocean. So over here, this is a section that I update every single month, and I just have my goals for the month. So my goals are: be consistent with my habit tracker, read one book, maintain a positive attitude, be balanced and healthy, be more efficient with my time, and do self-care once a week. Then over here we have my planning section, and this is just anything to do with any type of planning that I want to do. So I have travel plans, and this is like a template that came with the Notion app. If you like look for templates, it's there. I just put random trips that I think of. Right now there's like absolutely nothing because of the virus. Hopefully if things get better, that list will be longer. And yeah, that's where I like keep track of everything, like where I'm gonna stay, ticket information and stuff like that. It would all go into that table. Then over here I have Canada research and preparation, and in there that's just like everything that I need to know for when I go. So like credit card, things that I want to like sign up for, the rules about driving because they're obviously different from me here. If you know, you know. Just anything that I would probably need to know once I move there. So I just like do research in like my spare time. Right now I haven't really done much, but I'll eventually get to it. Then I have my notes from uni prep folder. In my YouTube I had a folder about like university advice, and then I just watched it all during quarantine, and in it is just a bunch of notes on all the advice from all the videos. So yeah, I just did that. Then over here I have my reading week to-dos. Right now I am on reading week. This is all the stuff that I want to do, and this template is really good if you guys want to make like a master to-do list. But pretty much the columns that I have is completed, task name, status, priority, date, and notes. Everything is sorted by date. But yeah, if you want want to like see how you want to sort it, what you do is you like click on the thing and then you can click sort ascending or sort descending. So let's say I want to just sort it by status and then sort ascending, and then I just like delete that. It would sort it by not started and then the completed or canceled goes to the bottom. The next I have my grocery list, which I'm really proud of making, but this is just like the groceries that I need for like my own food. And then obviously like when I move, there's gonna be more stuff on here, but this is just like stuff that I use because I make like smoothies and stuff like that. Now we're in my growth column, and here it's just like a bunch of stuff growth. I don't know. So in here I have my habit tracker, which my goal was to keep on top of it. The habits that I'm trying to develop is working out, meditating, 7 hours of sleep, journaling, and drinking a gallon of water because it is so hot. Every single month, I will talk about that later, but every single month I reset my habit tracker and then it goes all the way to the next month. Then I have my reading list, which is just books that I have read. And my New Year's resolution for this year was to read 2 books. I've read 3. And I'm reading my 4th. I am so proud of myself. Then I have a movie list, and also I don't like watching movies, but this year I forced myself to watch a bunch of movies. Then I have my TV show list. These are all the shows that I have watched. Then I have a list called things that make me happy, and this is like something I recommend you to do. Just like randomly make a list anywhere of anything that makes you happy. I'm not gonna open mine because like personal. But anyways, you just like write a list of all the things that make you happy, and then on days that you're feeling down, you can just open that list and then do the activities that you wrote in the things that make you happy list to try and like boost your mood up. Then the last thing I have is my fitness goals / tracker, which is again personal. So I'm not gonna open it. It's just like where I write all of my fitness goals, and then I also do like trackings for stuff for like gymnastics to make sure I'm making progress and stuff like that. Then we have my week ahead section, and this is where I do my daily to-do list. And at the top, I just have a quick reference to my university planner. I have a whole video on that if you guys want to know how to like make that and stuff like that. But pretty much this is how I have it structured. I have all 7 days of the week, then I have a thing called backlog, and then I have a thing called outstanding. So what I do is I have my things scheduled by morning tasks, afternoon tasks, and night tasks. My backlog is pretty much when I get tasks that I didn't plan for and I need to do them in that week, I just put it all in my backlog, and then I just like make sure to find time to do it. So like if I find out today that I have to like format somebody's CV, because people send me like their CVs and then I just make them look really cool. So then I'm gonna just say format person 1 CV, and then let's say it's Tuesday night and I'm trying to plan out my Wednesday, and then I see in like the evening I only have these 2 things, then I would just drag that and put it into my evening tasks because I know I have time to do it there. So that's how I would like use my backlog. Then I do the exact same thing for like outstanding, and then it'll be tasks I didn't get done this week, and then that just goes into my outstanding, and then I put that in and drag it into a specific day for the next week. Then over here is just my archive. It's literally just a page. What you can do is if you click add and you click page, then you just call it archive, and then you put like emoji. I'm not gonna find that one. I'm just gonna put this green one. It's literally just a page. Then if you drag your tasks in, like if I just drag in grocery shopping from Monday into that, it just goes in there and it goes away from this list. So I just like, I'm gonna delete this archive actually. So I just have this archive and it has all of my tasks that I just put in there, and it's like good to look in to see like all the tasks that you have done ever since you started your Notion. So now what I'm going to show you is on my favorites tab, I have this page called G.Y.S.T, which stands for Get Your Shit Done, and this is like basically inspired from Kayla Nicholson. I've been watching her videos for like ages, and I started doing G.Y.S.T days too. Inside my G.Y.S.T, I just have page references, and this just refers back to my life planner, my university planner, and my habit tracker. Then I have new pages, which is my weekly reset, my cleaning routine, my monthly reset, my slow down routine, and my self-care routine. So I'm just gonna go through how I do this. Essentially, if I go back to my life planner, and on Sundays, what I like to do either in the morning, afternoon, or evening is my weekly reset. So in my to-do list, I will just say at, and then I refer to the page that I want to do. So I know that I want to do my weekly reset, and then what I do is I'll just click on it and it'll take me to my weekly reset, and inside it there's a to-do list of tasks that I want to do. I'm going to start start off with weekly reset since I just opened that. But weekly reset is what I do every single Sunday, and it's just like what I do to just get my weeks started so that I feel like good and whatever. So again, at the top, I just have my quick references if I want to go to any of these pages because I might refer to them in the to-do list. I have 3 categories over here. So there is my life reset, my school reset, and my tech reset. Now we're gonna look at my slowdown routine. My slowdown routine is what I do like when I get really overwhelmed with like school or whatever I'm working on, and like I just get headaches and I just feel like I'm gonna burst into tears and cry. These are just the things that I do to make myself feel better. My checklist is that I turn off all of my social media, then I like meditate. I have different meditations for different things. So there's like law of attraction meditations, there's anxiety meditations, there's like meditations to help you concentrate, and then there's meditations to make you sleep. And this time I would either do an anxiety meditation or a meditation to help me concentrate. I will journal down what I'm feeling, and then I'll also do an LOA, which is law of attraction journaling. Then like if I have time, I'll do like a relaxation yoga, like a 5-minute yoga, and then if I want to I can read, but like this is like if I have a lot of time. But usually what I will do is the first 3. Then my cleaning routine is pretty much what I do every single Sunday. Pretty much what I do is I change my bedding, then I clean all of my surfaces, so I wipe them down, then I clean my desk, and then I put away any clothes because I usually have a bunch of laundry that I was too lazy to put away during the week, so then I'll tell myself to do it now. And then I just organize my bathroom. Then I have my self-care routine, which is something I also do every single Sunday, and it was also one of my goals to just do self-care every single week. So I have my facial care, body care, cosmetic care, and mental care. Then the last category here is I have my monthly reset, and this is what I do on the last day of every month so that I'm prepared for the next month. I have 4 categories: life reset, school reset, YouTube reset, and tech reset. Now what I'm gonna do is show you my content creation folder so that you guys can see like how I plan out any content. So in here I have 4 folders. It's usually 3. There's only 4 now because Vlogmas is coming up, and that's like a whole process to plan out 25 videos. So this is what I'm doing for my Vlogmas tracker. I forgot to delete the description. So this is what my thing looks like so far. It's obviously not done, but I have 25 videos in mind. Obviously you cannot see what they are, but you can see other things. Then if I go back, we have my YouTube video planner, and again there's gonna be some things that are covered because there's still videos that I am planning to film. But pretty much I just have this board, and you pretty much pin your ideas to each board. I have different categories. So I have my brainstorm, my need to film, my filmed, my edited, my scheduled, and my published. So in brainstorm, I just have a list of like a bunch of videos that I want to film. In here, this is just kind of what it would look like if I do all of that. When it's filmed, it gets dragged into filmed. Then when I edit it, it gets dragged into edited. Then when it's scheduled on YouTube, it gets into scheduled. So this is really good for tracking all your videos, especially if you're like pre-filming or doing a lot of stuff. So this would like really help me for Vlogmas too. Then in my video idea dump, it's literally supposed to be a dump of video ideas. I haven't used it at all yet, but I'm hoping to use it eventually. Then my Instagram post ideas, it's just a link to my Instagram Pinterest board. And inside my Instagram Pinterest board, I just have a bunch of stuff. I have a captions board, which only has 2 pins. Then I have my photos board, which has like 245. 55, 57. Then I have story ideas, and then like filters. This is when I used to edit my pictures with VSCO, but now I don't, so I don't use that board. Oh my gosh, we just went through my entire Notion. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a video. But that is all for me today. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late.